Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about pairs of angles. Learning about pairs of angles. The first one is complementary angles. Okay? Complementary angle means the sum of two angles is 90, then the angles are complementary angles. Okay? When the sum of two angles is equal to 90. Okay? The sum of two angles is equal to 90. Then the angles are complementary angles. See this figure. Suppose this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. Okay. The sum of two angles is 30 plus 60, 90. So, the angles are called complementary angles. Okay. Suppose this angle is only 25. Okay. This is 60. Okay. 25 plus 60 is equal to 85. So, these are not complementary angles. Okay. Right. The complementary angle of 30 degrees is 60. Okay. Again, the complementary angle of 60 degrees is 30. Complementary angle of 30 is 60. Complementary angle of 60 is 30. Okay. Another example. The complementary angle of 45 is 45. Okay. The complementary angle of 20 degrees is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, understand? Okay, exercise 2 questions. Lines and angles. Exercise 2 questions. First question. Which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? Complementary angle means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Then the angles are supplementary angles. Okay. See this first pair of angles. The angle is 110, the angle is 30. First question. The sum of two angles is equal to 110 plus 30 is equal to 140. So, these are not complementary. These are not complementary. Second sum. The first angle is 80 degrees. The second angle is 10. So, the sum of two angles. (80 plus 10) 90 degrees. Okay. So, these are complementary angles. Second problem. Find the complementary angle of the following. First question 25. The complementary angle of 25 degrees is equal to, complementary angle means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Okay. Complementary of 25 is equal to 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 degrees. That means 65 degrees. Okay. Second one. The complementary of 40 degrees is equal to 90 minus 40, 50 degrees. Okay. Third question. of angle of 89 degrees is equal to 90 minus 89, 1 degree. Degrees is 90 minus 55 degrees is equal to 35 degrees. Okay. Third problem. Two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. Okay. The two angles are complementary. That means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees and also equal. Okay, so the angles are equal. Okay, find them. Okay, let the first angle be x. Okay, second angle, by the problem they are also equal, so second angle is also x. Okay, so these are complementary angles. Okay, complementary. So the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. X plus x is equal to 9. X plus x means 2x. 2x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 into 2. Move LHS to RHS. So, it converts divided by. So, 90 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 45s. So, the angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Fourth problem, last problem. Manasa says each angle in any pair of complementary angles is always acute. Do you agree? Give reason. Yes, we agree, because complementary angle means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Acute angle means the measure of an angle less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees. So, the sum of complementary angles is 90 degrees. So, two angles should be less than 90. Okay. So, each angles in pair of complementary angles is always acute. Okay.